I wanted to share where I'm doing a power snatch from a huge block where I'm starting the lift from above my knee. It's because I have a challenge in my snatch technique where I bend my arms early, which means before I hit the bar with my hips. And by putting the bar just in the height just where I start bending my arms, I will hopefully make my technique better because I'm not prematurely bending my arm when I'm lifting from that height. So as I progress through the next couple of weeks, I'm doing this height again and again and again, probably with a little bit more weight than this. And then I'm progressing with a lower box to see if I can actually continue not doing the prematurely arm bend. So this is why I'm using a box this week, and I hope you can use this information.